to get a shot where the vegetation moved and the debris on the ground blew by as the car rockets, through the shot. So I took an alligator clip and I fed it through this kind of stuff. I don't even know what that stuff is called. Drilled a hole in some wood and then sunk it in there and used a little bit of hot glue. I put the hole all the way through so it wouldn't create a bubble and you could glue it nice and it would be snug. Picked out a piece of vegetation that I thought would be nice dangling in front of the camera and rigged it up so that it would work and took it to the location. I had to make the camera mount, so I made that with a little bit of carpeting, some Velcro, and a little bit of gaffer's tape on top there. A little quarter 20 nut and a little bit of epoxy, so it just rigged it together, and then you could have the view screen facing up. I also put a traffic cone with my stuff across from where I was parked so that nobody would swing wide around me and drive over my gear. Thanks. If this helps you out at all, please subscribe to us. That really helps us. Thanks. Bye.